my beautiful friends. Thank you for joining me in this meditative session of ancient wisdom secrets and powerful guided healing meditation to heal ourselves and to elevate our lives. Today I'm going to share with you the biggest powerful formula of life to become a winner. Friends, please pay attention to what I'm about to share with you. There is a difference between what you like to do and what's needed in life. There's a difference in what you like to do in life and what is needed. And the secret is that when you shift your focus to what is needed in life, when you shift your focus to life-giving things, life-enhancing things, then magic happens. That's when you become the best version of your own self. That's when you get the most out of your life. That's when you create a paradise, and that's when you start living in that paradise every single day of your life. Mind you, we have limited time and energy, so we must organize our life. And today, I'm going to share with you 3 powerful tools that are going to help you to create, to shift your focus towards what is needed in life to get the most out of it. So, the very first thing that we all can do is to start with why. Start the process by asking yourself questions. Be very clear in your mind, why should I be making changes in my life? It is this why that is going to get you to do the most important things in life, such as exercising your physical and mental body, such as giving high vibration food to your mind and body, such as following through on every needed thing till it's completed. And don't stop there. Do take the time to counsel your mind about the consequences that if I didn't shift to things that are needed in my life, what will be the consequences? And you may all think, Anu, you're sharing with us what is common sense. And let me tell you, it may be common sense, but it is not a common practice. It is not a common practice, and that is why reasons should come first. As you grow by asking yourself why, as you grow by clearing in your mind all the reasons for creating change in your life, you start to grow, and as you grow, you have so much more to share with others, to help others. The second powerful tool is manifest your energy and motivation. Do take the time, do invest time in your life to increase your energy levels. Have you noticed so many people continue to do the same things over and over and over again, but expecting a different life? So many of us continue to eat junk food but expecting a different result. So many people continue to date the same person over and over again, continue to get hurt. And so many people continue to be in the company of people who are not so positive and not able to then uplift their lives. Why do you think? What is the cause behind it? It's not that they don't know what's right for your life. It's because they do not have the energy, they do not have the motivation to make that happen. We all have one thing common in our life. We all have same 24 hours in each day. And what makes me different than others is how I'm spending every single moment of that 24 hours of my day. That's what makes me different. And you know what? Every morning when you wake up, you are gifted by God 86,400 seconds to create a magic in your life, to live your dream life. And by midnight of every day, if you have not used this time, friends, it is gone. It's gone. If you've not invested this time in uplifting yourself and healing yourself and creating what needs to be created in your life, then it is finished. So the priority in our life should be to increase your energy, your motivation, so that you are able to shift your attention, so that you are able to do things that are needed to create a life that is filled with greater joys, greater energy, abundance of peace. So you are able to spread healing to your loved ones, to your own life, and to the entire humanity. Have you ever noticed a person in your life who's living with such awareness? And if you don't find a person who's living life with such awareness, then let me tell you, be that person for your own self. Become that person for your loved ones. Become that person for everybody to help them. Be that person for your own self. And when you do that, you will be directed in in the right direction of life. You will be given the direction of light, healing, and joy. And the third powerful tool that will help you to do what's needed in life is do not postpone. Make a commitment to your own self to create a life enhancing plan for your own self. Let excuses be gone. Be truthful to your own self. Be honest to your own self. Be sincere to your own self by creating a plan that will get you there. And let me tell you how to do that. Before going to bed, take few minutes and rewind your entire day. It's like playing a video player of your entire day, and instantly you will be able to pinpoint all the unnecessary activities that you have done, all the unnecessary words that you have spoken. And now make a commitment that tomorrow I will replace them with what's truly needed for me to become a winner in this life. As you continue this process of replacing, you will find that your life will be filled with infinite peace, abundance of joy, and spiritual delights. So friends, when we start to live life with this formula, when we start to constantly learn these ancient wisdom secrets, then something very miraculous, something very divine takes place in our life. It's this learning that lights me also. It's this learning that elevates my life. And the purpose of my life is to take this passion, take this light of learning and help others live life to their fullest potential. So when we do these 4 things that I shared with you, one is shift from what you like to do to what's needed in life. Second thing is start by asking why. Be very clear of all the reasons why you want to create change in your life. Third is manifest energy and motivation in your life. And fourth is do not postpone this plan for tomorrow. Make that happen right now as you and I are sitting in these silent moments of our life. So when you do that, your today will become more beautiful, more vibrant, more positive, more purer than yesterday. And when you follow this formula of life, then no matter what happens all around you in the outside world, one thing is guaranteed, that your world will always be filled with light and life and celebration every moment. So are you ready to gain that energy? Are you ready to gain that motivation and release what's not needed? Let's sit straight for our guided healing meditation. Spine straight yet relaxed. Drop your shoulders from your ears and have a beautiful smile on your face. You can sit in meditation mudra, dhyan mudra, like take the thumb and the index finger and place your wrists on your knees, or you can comfortably keep your palms in your lap, whatever is convenient to you. So, spine straight, drop your shoulders, have a beautiful smile on your face. And now, find yourself a spot where you cannot be disturbed for next 10 minutes. And take a nice, long, deep breath to the count of 4. Hold it to the count of 2. And release to the count of 4. Very nice. And now softly close your eyes. Allow your ego to move out so that you are in touch with your true nature. You're in touch with your true spirit. Disconnect with everything that exists in the outside world and connect to your own inner self. Connect to the source of all healing. Connect to the source of all existence. Take a nice, long, deep inhale and relax your entire body. Bring your awareness to your breath, and by doing so, allow your breathing to become slower and softer and subtler with every breath. Inhale by breathing peace, and exhale by letting go all these stresses of life. Inhale by breathing in joy, and exhale by letting go the miseries and pain given by this outer world situations and people. Bring your awareness to your own mind and quieten the inner noise, your inner dialogue, by listening to this guided meditation. You are about to create a remarkable ability to circulate your oxygenated blood to your entire body, to your every system through this powerful healing meditation. your awareness in the center of your two eyebrows. We call it third eye chakra. Just stay in between your two eyebrows. Feel the sensations of this center. Staying in this center, envision perfect health. Infuse that feeling of perfect health in every cell, in every region, in every bone, in every muscle of your body. Allow that health to start vibrating throughout your mind and body. Envision that perfect health for your own self. Feel the existence of divine powers. Feel as if you are merging your individuality in this oceanic power, becoming so powerful in your mind and body. And now allow this perfect health to flow. Allow this healing to flow from you to all your loved ones and to this entire humanity, spreading the feeling of joy, healing and peace from you to the world, from you to your homes, from you to the people who need to heal themselves. It's very powerful. Staying in the center of your two eyebrows, in the middle of your forehead. Feel a white light pulsating. Feel a white light throbbing. And now take that light to every part of your body, to every region. Allow all your stresses and pains and miseries to melt away in this light by renewing yourself. You'll find that you are reborn with abundance of energy, purest of the pure energy. Feel your in-breath, be with your out-breath. Slowly introduce this mantra to your mind. Ahem Brahmasmi. I am filled of all possibilities. Ahem Brahmo Asmi. I carry the powers of universe within me. With these powers, I can heal my own mind, my own body, my own life, and also I can help others heal. Ahem Brahmo Asmi. I am the child of Supreme Almighty, and that's why I carry all of His godly qualities within me. When I shut my eyes and ears to the outside world and move within, and connect with the supreme power, I start to become one with His qualities, with His skills, with His talents. Aham Brahmo Asmi. This practice of meditation is not a practice of searching God. It's a practice of becoming like God. It's a practice to transform from becoming a creator from His creation. And with this power, I carry the strength to create my dream life, to fill my life with greater joys, greater peace, and ultimate wisdom. It is this power that clears my mind and give me the power to make right decisions in my life. Aham Brahmo Asmi. Allow this healing power to flow from you, from your powerful insight to each and every member of your family. May everyone in your home be happy. May everyone in your home be free from all ailments. May we all see only the goodness in everything. May this world become free from suffering and pain. May there be peace, peace, and only peace. Feel as if you're bathing in the ocean of peace. And when you feel the oceanic peace, then you can never feel low in your life. You continue to vibrate with the highest level of energy, spreading healing anywhere you go. Say to yourself that God's power is radiating through me. God's power is healing me and every person of my family. God's purity right now is radiating from me to everyone. I thank you, God, for giving me these wonderful gifts of mind, body, and breath. But I must nurture these gifts with the ancient wisdom, knowledge, power. I must nurture these gifts with the waters of meditation. I must connect with my inner self with the power of my breath. It's this power of my breath that connects me to my inner powerful world. It connects me to the supreme power. Your love for me is unparalleled, God. Your love for me is unconditional. I thank you, God, for accepting me the way I am and transforming me with your divine light. Slowly come back to your body consciousness, and by keeping your eyes closed, keep rubbing your palms. Feel the healing energy. Feel the warmth and the healing in your palms. Keep rubbing. Keep smiling. We are about to do self-Reiki on ourselves. So take your healing palms and place them on your eyes. And this is the moment, witness the calmness that you have brought to your own self. If you stay like this, no person or outer situation can ever touch you. Take your healing palms, place them on your both sides of head. May I always think right, because when I think right, the right things will continue to happen in my life. This is how I take complete charge of my life. Take these healing palms and rub it all over your body, especially the areas that require more healing. And slowly come back to your prayerful hands position. Slowly start opening your palms, opening your eyes, and say with me, yes, I can. Yes, I can surf through the uncertainties of life without being affected by them. Yes, I can. And then bow down with lot of humility, humbleness, and gratitude to the Almighty for giving me the right thoughts to spend this time investing in my own well-being, investing this time in this powerful practice of meditation. Friends, this concludes our today's meditative session. Thank you for becoming part of this higher practice to help spread healing, love, and joy to the entire humanity. Carry these thoughts of awareness every moment of every day till we meet again next Monday at 7:30 p.m. At this point, I will also request you to please let me know how was your experience in the comments section. Thank you again. Have a blessed evening. Namaste.